Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to experience CurlsCurls' new seamless clip-ins. They're supposed to be flatter and more natural than regular clip-ins, and that's why I was excited about this sponsorship. So let's begin. Inside the drawstring bag there are clip-ins as well as other goodies like the instructional pamphlet, hair details about your order. My hair is 4B 4C in texture and 16 inches long with extra hair clips just in case, and this is how the clip-ins arrive. They remind me of Vivica Fox's smart weft extensions. I'm going to cut them loose so that you can see the difference between these and regular clip-ins. It's a thin plastic looking weft that appears to sandwich the bulk hair. No stretch, but it does have some tensile strength. It is shinier but flatter than a regular track, and I'm going to give the hair a bath. I preloaded my clip-ins into my extension styler. Many of you expressed an interest in it, so I'll include details in the description box. It's so helpful when washing wefted hair, especially kinkier textures that are prone to tangling in the worst way. Seamless clip-ins start at $129 and go up depending on your desired length and thickness. So protect your investment, ladies, and get styling tools that will make your life easier while preserving your hair. Do not neglect the hair inside the styler. Flip it over and wash the back. Every strand needs to touch soap and water because there's no telling how this hair was processed, and freshly washed hair styles better. Speaking of processing, this hair was processed to be kinky curly. I had to explain this to someone who commented under a previous video that there are no donors for this texture. She didn't believe that Black women were donating hair, and she was right. Most hair extensions are processed to be the curl pattern or texture that you buy, so make sure you wash those processing chemicals out. This conditioner will remain nameless because I don't like it on my natural hair, but I don't want to be wasteful and I need to detangle this hair. So I'm taking full advantage of the slip that this conditioner has to offer. I love Maven's paddle brush. It glides past the tangles like a dream and always gets the job done with minimal shedding. This is my shedding. It's not much. It's time to rinse out the conditioner and allow the hair to dry so that I can get to styling. Hello, Afro. I missed you. Love your shrinkage. Here are the dry clip-ins. I should have darkened them to match my color, but the show must go on. Starting in the back, I am separating my hair. You can use a comb if you want a clean part, but my hair is prone to breakage, so I don't use combs unless I absolutely must. Crocodile clips to separate, and the first clip-in is going in the back. The clips are already open, so I slide them in my hair and then close. I'm moving on to another section, and I try to keep my clip-ins approximately 1 or 2 centimeters apart. Anything greater than 2 centimeters is a bit much. This one has 5 clips. Water is your friend. If you are having trouble separating your hair, spray it beforehand and then continue to separate. Another one with 5 clips is going down, and this hair is very thick. In the past, you've seen me braid or thread my hair and just use leave out for the part. I'll link an example below. Now for the front. Starting above my ear, I'm going to go all the way around. When the path is this long, you'll likely need 2 or more clip-in wefts to go all the way across. I have a number 3 going down in the middle, and I'm putting number 2s on each side. Right now, I want a left side part, so I need extra hair to beef up the bang area on my right, your left. Another number 3 is going there, and notice how I start a couple of centimeters away from my hairline. I don't want my clip-ins showing, especially if I choose to tie my hair up. This is the last separation. I decided to bring the part closer to the center. And this is the part where I use water or light moisturizer to blend my hair with the extensions. I am also adding a number 2 in the back to make it fuller, and now we saturate and fluff until we are satisfied. This is a great opportunity to separate the strands so that they don't look too defined. I want my extensions to be as fluffy as my natural hair, and I don't like defined wash and goes. I prefer an afro. The only brushing I'm doing is on the extensions. Trust me, I can tell the difference between my weave and my hair. That's my hair on top, and the clip-ins are below. I have more fluffing and brushing to do, but when the hair is fully dried, it's going to look a million times better. All I needed were 8 out of 10 clips. So if you have thin hair, you don't have to worry. 10 should be enough. This is what my hair looked like after a full day. And I even played with the bang a little bit. So that's all there is for this video. I hope these clip-ins last because they are so easy to work with. I will have all details down in the description box. If you have questions, let me know, and you can always check out these other videos on clip-ins. Bye!